Marhaba and welcome to a very special edition of Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy and I'm here in Antalya, Turkey. And this one is a very special one for you. It's a 200th video of the channel, so I'm celebrating. And I thought I'd do something different. Now I make lots of holiday videos with highlights of the places that I've been. This one is something that I've been wanting to do for many years, but never plucked up the courage to actually do it. And so today I will be getting my teeth done. So yeah, it means a lot to me. I'm absolutely nervous as hell. But yeah, I'm finally doing it. So I want you to come along this journey with me. Hopefully I can get as much of basically my diary of the whole procedure. So yeah, nervous, excited. Yeah, just can't wait to actually not have to think about when I smile, being paranoid and everything like that. And now I can just hopefully just have a proper smile without being conscious of my teeth or how I look, what people are thinking. I'll be finally past that hurdle and feel like the real me. So let's get to it. But for now, gule gule. Right then guys, so the journey begins then. It's time to set off. Let's go catch the train. A little bit of a chill out in the airport. But for now, gully gully. I'm here at the Paragon Interchange train station, ready to head off to Turkey. Let's head off to the airport. But for now, gully gully. Up, yeah, so I'm on the way to the hotel now in this really nice luxurious car. I was greeted by the actual driver as well. Fantastic experience. This car is new as well. So yeah, that's the next step. Now, gule gule. So I've arrived at the hotel now, so I had time to get some Z's before I actually get the procedure done tomorrow. So let's get some Z's. For now, gule gule. So then it's time to go to sleep. Procedure tomorrow. I'm really nervous, but it's something I've wanted for so many years, and I've finally put up the courage to go for it. I'm really excited, really nervous. Combination of the two is very freaky. But yeah, for now, gule gule.